This thing working? Hey guys, Wayne Stevenson here, and I just got another package delivered by DHL today. And I think I know what it is. I think this one's the extrusion kit for a Prusa bear. A Prusa clone. And this one's purple. You guys want to check it out with me? Come on. Now I'm undecided on what color I'm going to do it, but I was thinking it was going to go like this. Either that or a blue. Anyhow, check it out. Come. Nice. And we got T-nuts. Got all the hardware we're going to need to assemble this. Nice. Now I'm not trying to make a fashion statement, but because after all it is just a 3D printer, but I would like it to look nice, so either with that or maybe a blue, I don't know. Gotta wait for the rest of the stuff to come in and then I'll make up my mind. Alright guys, sorry this isn't going to be an assembly video. I still got lots of parts that still have to arrive. So make sure you like and subscribe, because as soon as everything comes in, I'm going to do a build session with you all. Thanks for watching. Alright, okay guys, I'm out of here.